Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite pimple popping clips. In fact, I'm going to count down 10 of my favorite new pops. While you watch, I'll include some definitions on screen. Also below, please comment yes if you enjoy this bizarre dermatology Photoshop. I'd also like to use this opportunity to remind you to click the notification bell and select all notifications. By doing so means that you'll see all of our pimple popping documentaries, posts, and images. Without clicking the notification bell, you won't see any of our community posts. And you'll be blocked from seeing our age-restricted videos in your feed. So again, click that notification bell for more pimple pops, bigger cysts, and all of our updates, and all of our best age-restricted content. So hit that notification bell today and you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.